Hello and welcome to Simpson Library. We're here to provide library resources both in person and from the comfort of your own home. Make sure you are always wearing your mask around campus so you can protect yourself and others. Also, remember to be socially distant from those not included in your family pod. When wearing your mask, please make sure it is covering both your nose and your mouth. Anything else is unacceptable. We've provided multiple ways to keep our students safe. Each floor has hand sanitizers as well as disinfecting wipes to clean the surfaces you touch. Please remember to wipe down all equipment after using it. To keep you safe, food is not permitted in the library. However, drinks are welcomed. Please remember to put your mask back on right after taking your sip. Only one desk is currently open. Here we offer book checkouts and returns. The library is also available remotely. We offer live video and phone appointments with a librarian, and Quest where you can have access to various resources. But that's not all. On your Canvas page, you can access PDFs of the reading materials for the class that your professor has helped provide. We're here to assist our students in any way possible, whether it be in person or at home. Follow us on social media to stay up to date. Stay safe, Eagles!